Good morning, students. Today again we are here to discuss chapter Champa's fruit basket in brief. So, students, this we have studied this chapter, we have read this chapter, and this chapter is about Champa, a small girl whose name was Champa. Okay, now let's see what happens in this chapter. Now, in this chapter, there was a big garden in Champa's house, okay, and there were many fruit trees in her garden. And one day she decided to offer some fruits to her friend Pony. Okay, so she asked her mother that she told her mother that she is going to take some fruits for her friend Pony. So her mother also gave her permission, but she told her to return home soon. Let's see what happens after Champa goes to her friend's house. Now, Champa, so when her mother gave her permission, Champa put 3 bananas and 2 guavas in the basket, and then she said good bye to her mother and began to walk towards Pony's house. Now, on the way, there was a small tree, and a monkey was sitting on the branch of a tree, and it saw the basket. Okay, and it looked at bananas. Now we already know that monkeys like bananas very much, so it bent down from the tree and took the bananas. See, monkey bent down from the tree and took the bananas away. Now, Champa did not notice monkey taking away the bananas. So, she went forward, and there were 2 parrots flying nearby. So, they looked at the basket, and when they saw guavas, they said that we like guavas. What happened after that? Parrots flew down and took the guavas. Champa did not notice them also taking away the guavas. So a cow looked at Champa and saw a big basket in her hand, and it got frightened, it got scared. So it jumped and bumped into an orange tree. Now after that what happened? Some oranges fell into Champa's basket, and Champa even did not notice or noticed oranges falling in her basket. Soon Champa reached her friend's house, and she offered the fruits which she has brought for her friend. Now Pony thanked Champa for bringing oranges, because she said I am because she liked oranges, so she thanked Champa for bringing oranges for her. Now Champa was very surprised, because she has brought bananas and guavas for her friend, but there were some oranges, so she was not able to understand that what happened in the way on the way. How did the bananas and guavas turned into oranges? Why? Because she has not noticed anyone taking away the bananas or guavas. So this was a chapter about Champa's fruit basket. Students, today we will also see how we can describe a person. A picture will be given to you, and it will be asked uh, to describe a person. So we can look at the picture, and then we can describe a person. Okay, how we what are the things, what all things we can say about that person, what all the things we can see in the picture about that person, what he or she is doing, what he or she is wearing. So let's see about describe a person. Now the question says, look at this picture of Champa. Write 5 sentences about her in your notebook. You can use the words in the box. Now here, bench, yellow dress, long hair, basket, apple. Here 5 words have been given to you, and a picture has been given to you. Okay, now this question is saying that this picture is of Champa, and by using all these words, bench, yellow dress, long hair, basket, apple, we have to write few sentences or 5 sentences about her. Now sentence number 1 is done for you. Champa is sitting on a bench. See Champa, she is sitting on a bench. So first sentence is Champa is sitting on a bench. Now let's see what all things we can write. Second, she is wearing a yellow dress. Yes, see the color of the dress that Champa is wearing is yellow. So she is wearing a yellow dress. She has long hair. Yes, she has long hair. She has a basket. She is having basket with her and she is eating an apple. Okay, what is Champa eating? Champa is eating an apple. So like this, students, you can describe a person given in the picture. Students, today we will also see synonyms and we will see some questions related to synonyms. Now what are synonyms? Synonyms are words that have the same meaning. What are synonyms? The words that have same meaning are known as synonyms. Okay, now let's see few examples of synonyms. Number 1. Beautiful, pretty. See this butterfly? This butterfly is very beautiful. And another word which means the same as beautiful is pretty. Then fast and quick. Fast and quick both are synonym to each other. Okay, cheetah, like cheetah is a fast animal. So synonym word, another word for fast can be quick. Now let's see more examples. Afraid, scared. See this little girl, she is afraid from something. She has seen something very uh, she has seen that thing which she does not like, so, and from which she is afraid. So another word for afraid is scared. Afraid and scared both are synonym to each other. Now next is baby, infant. Now see the small child. A small child, human child, is known as baby or infant. Okay. Now next synonym word, cold, chilly. See this girl, she is feeling very cold. It is a winter season, so she is feeling cold. Or when you touch an ice cube, what happens? You feel cold. Another word for cold is chilly. Okay. Another word for cold is chilly. So cold and chilly both are synonym to each other. Then collect and gather. See these two boys. They are collecting something. They are collecting plastic bottles. Okay, so collect means gather. Collect and gather both are synonym words. Let's see another example. Destroy, ruin. See this person in the picture. He is destroying the computer. Or another word for destroy, which means the same, is ruin. R-U-I-N, ruin. Okay, so destroy and ruin are synonym words. Then fat and chubby. See this person. This person is fat, and another word for fat is chubby. Now let's see more examples. Buy and purchase. See this woman, she is buying a few articles or few things from the shop. So she is buying or purchasing. So another word for buy or synonym word for buy is purchase. P-U-R-C-H-A-S-E, purchase. Now couch. Couch. Another word for couch is sofa. Couch and sofa are synonym to each other. Now students, today we will do some questions related to synonyms. Let's revise. What is the question saying? Write the synonyms of the given words. Okay. Question number 1. Big. So synonym word for big is large. Second is start. S-T-A-R-T, start. Synonym word for start is begin. B-E-G-I-N, begin. Synonym word for wet. Okay, when the cloth is wet in water. So synonym word for wet is damp. D-A-M-P, damp. Then number 4 is pretty. P-R-E-T-T-Y, pretty. Synonym word for pretty is lovely. L-O-V-E-L-Y, lovely. Then synonym word for smart is intelligent. 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 Now let's see more examples. Sick. 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 Synonym word for sick is ill. Then synonym word for quick. QUICK. Quick is fast. Okay. Synonym word for quick is fast. As we have seen, cheetah is the fastest animal. So quick and fast both are synonym to each other. Then finish. When we complete the work, when we end the work, it is called finish. We have finished, or I have finished my work. So synonym word for finish, or the word which means same as finish, is complete. 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 Then easy. 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 When something is very easy or simple for you, it is called easy. When you do not feel any difficulty in doing that work, it is called easy. And another word for easy is simple. 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 Then difficult. 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 Synonym word for difficult is hard. 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 So students, today we have read Champa's fruit basket. Hope you have enjoyed learning this chapter, and today we have also discussed synonyms and describe a person. So thank you and enjoy your day. Bye bye.